Hi, year one and year twos, Ken here. Now, I'm so excited about this week for PE because we're getting to do things outside. So it's basically outdoor adventure, orienteering, which means how do we read maps, things like looking for things, scavenger and treasure hunts. So many fun things to be done outside. And I'm going to show you the first exercise, which is our introduction to camp crafting, okay? Which means first thing you need at a camp is a tent, isn't it? So I'm going to show you a very simple way of making a tent, all right? Hold on. Soon I'll show you the things that you need for your tent in a bit. Things that you need for your camp are your tent. You need two sticks. If you look at this, they're almost of a similar height, okay? They're of a similar height, so two sticks. Now, don't worry if you can't get two sticks. For the guys at home, you can use two seats, okay? Just have the back side of the seats facing each other, and you can use that, okay? I'll show you in a bit how to use the sticks. Now, what else do we need? We need a minimum of 4 stones, okay? A minimum of 4 stones. For me, I have around 6 stones, okay? Very important to this, you need uh, a sheet, okay? A cloth, all right? So you need that one for one side of the tent, and you need another one for the other side of the tent. There could be three if you want to make it even darker. I was super excited to see what Keira made the other day, okay? So how about you try make one like that, or using this simple method. The other thing you need is two strings, guys. I'll show you how to use the two strings. Now, in a bit, I'll show you how I set up my two sticks. I have one of my sticks set out here. I've already pushed it inside the floor. Okay, you can have your parent help you to either push it into the floor or have to dig a hole to put it through. Now for my second one, I'm going to count using my feet to show you how I'm going to count. So there from the tree there, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. This is a tent for one person, so at least for my size, but you can do that for your friends. Okay, you see that? Now, that's how, that's the first step to having my tent. Okay, I'll show you the second step in a bit. Guys, the next step is how we're going to use our clothes. All right, so this cloth here, I'm going to try, I've held it, the larger part is free hanging, and I have a small part remaining here at the top. So that is what I'm going to lay over the two sticks. So just what I watch here, like that. All right, and I'm going to take my cloth as well. Brilliant. That's the second step for your um, that's the second step for you making your tent. The third step, guys, is using this strings, guys. So we want to fasten our tent at the top there so that they don't fall off. Okay, so you hold on to here, hold on to here. Make many circles, guys. Many circles, going round and round it, round and round it. And we can make a little knot here, like that. I do the same thing on this side. Okay. many knots here. Okay, like that. And I make a little knot here at the end, right? Remember when I mentioned about the stones? This first stone, I want to stretch my first sheet all the way here. Yeah? We start with the corners first. The second bit, I do it all the way out like that. Okay? Come, I show you the other side, what we're going to do as well with the stones. So there, here we are. We hold on to the other part here, stretch it all wide, that, and this other part here, and stretch it all the way up. Okay, now I want to show you how my tent looks like. See that? That's how my tent looks like. The way in there. Okay, now what you could do is have a third float like this. You put it on the floor. Okay, put it on the floor. For me, I have something little to use there. So I'll show you in a bit how the inside of my tent looks like. Hi guys, we're going inside my tent, okay? In a bit. Just hold on. You need to look at it. How my tent looks like. Going all the way in. Now jump in and have a sit. How cool is this, guys? I'm in my tent. Now, remember, if you're in your tent, the things, and you're out camping, the things you could do, the activities you could do. You could go fishing, you could go stargazing, you could set up a campfire. All of that stuff is on the worksheet that you have today. So could you say, for the activities that you are to do, what activities would you do if you were to be on a camp? If you were to have food on a camp, what would it be? Okay, on the worksheet it says skewers. What else could we have? Okay, for activities for you to do, could be going fishing maybe. And for the things that you would see there, the natural things are when you go for camping, what would they be? Would you see trees? Were there some bugs you would see? Okay, so all this fun stuff, guys, can you try and think and then write them down for me, okay? I'm looking forward to seeing your nice, lovely tents and have so much fun, guys. All the best and enjoy yourself. As for me, I'm going to have my lunch here in my tent today because it's so cool, guys. All right, see you guys. Have lots of fun. Bye.